This is the sound as it is at idle. But as soon as you turn the TV on higher than level 10 on the volume, it speeds up to this noise. And as soon as the volume drops below 10, it slows down, but as soon as you go above 10, it speeds up. And when the TV is paused, or there is a audio drop in the soundtrack, slows down again. This is very annoying. If I could just have it one speed all the time, and also when it's at high speed, it just blows out cold air at the back, which isn't needed. So if we could have a solution to this, that would be great. Thanks.